Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Facebook Marketplace for selling, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Facebook app or website. Log into your account if you aren't already. Navigate to the Facebook Marketplace by clicking on the Marketplace icon. Once inside, look for the Sell Something button and click on it. Choose the type of item you want to sell from the available options. Fill in the details for your listing, including the title, price, and description. Add clear and high-quality photos of your item. Make sure to choose the correct category for your item. Set your location to ensure nearby buyers can find your listing. Review your listing to ensure all information is accurate. Click on the Next button to proceed. Select your preferred audience for the listing. Once ready, click on the Publish button to make your listing live. Check for any messages or inquiries from potential buyers. Respond promptly to maintain interest in your item. If a buyer is interested, arrange a safe meeting place to finalize the sale. Ensure you receive payment before handing over the item. Once the sale is complete, mark the item as sold on Marketplace. Consider leaving feedback for the buyer once the transaction is done. Follow these steps to successfully sell your items on Facebook Marketplace. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.